Hello everybody, Andrea Twarowski here with Dentalelle Tutoring. So if you guys are on social media, which I'm sure you all are, you have probably seen at some point, well if you're a female anyway, you've probably seen at some point all of the advertising for the FabFitFun boxes. And they're usually done by celebrities showing you guys what's inside the box. So I'm clearly not a celebrity, but honestly, and I'm not being paid to say this, okay? The celebrities are probably being paid to say that, but I'm not being paid at all, just so you know. But I love the FabFitFun boxes, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box that I got this time, the spring 2018 box. I actually signed up for them about a year ago, and I have always loved them, but I never thought to do a video. But then people were asking me about them, so I thought, well, you know what? If the celebrities can do a video, I can do a video too. And the nice thing is that with my coupon code, you can get $10 off your first box, which adds up. So if that's something that you guys want to do, I'll put my referral code in the comments section underneath the video, so have a look. I sign up for the yearly subscription because it's actually cheaper if you plan to buy all of the boxes anyway. If you just would like to try the one box easy, I think it's only $30, $40, something like that. So it's a pretty good price, and I'll show you guys why. You get tons of full-size products in every single box, and I think it's a lot of fun opening it up and not knowing what's inside. So let me show you guys the 2018 spring box. So check all this out, you guys. It's kind of heavy. See this? Oops, there we go. Okay, I am done the video. Just kidding. So let me show you guys what's inside. So I'm actually going to keep it on my lap, okay, because it's so like heavy. So this was probably one of my favorite boxes so far because I feel like I can use everything in it. Sometimes I open up a box and I might not be able to use everything, but the nice thing is I save it and I gift it. So for somebody's birthday, for Christmas, whatever, I will gift it to them because these products are expensive, which I will show you that because in every box, they include the magazine, the brochure, and it tells you actually the regular price of all of the items. So there's literally, and I will show you guys at the end, but there's $350 worth of products inside each box. And that's the truth. I have looked it up. So that's pretty good, right? So if you like to shop at Sephora, you have got to get this box because they're amazing. Okay, so let me show you guys. So what I got is it's kind of like a wrap, okay? You can wear it at the beach. You can wear it just over a tank top. Like I actually wear these a lot in the summertime, just simply over a tank top. I have like shorts on, jeans, whatever. So it's kind of hard to see, obviously, but it's like a wrap here. I'll put it on. I should have wore a tank top so it like looks a little bit better, but look at this. Nice, eh? Like, look at the color too. And the nice thing about the boxes is that you can, for certain items in the box, you can pick your own color combination. So I like that too. You can't pick everything. For each box, they let us, they show us 3 things, what's inside the box, and then we can pick the color combo that we want. So I picked a blue one. I can't remember the other color combos of the wraps, but I mean, hey, right? I love blue, so why not? So the next thing, which I thought was really cool, I've never seen this. Perfect for dental hygiene and dental assisting students, as this is a tutoring channel, but this is a massage roller. How cool is that? Now, I didn't know how the heck to use it, so I looked on YouTube, and it's pretty simple. Like, I can't really show you guys now, but like on your leg, on your back, on your hips, wherever it is sore, you just simply massage, and it works. I tried it yesterday because I was sitting at the computer for a while doing some tutoring prep, and it did help to sort of unknot my knots. So if you don't have a chance to go to your massage therapist, this is really nice, and I wouldn't have thought to just buy this. So it was nice that it came inside the box. I got some deodorant. Now, ladies, I'm sorry, this might be too much info, but I find that I have to apply deodorant like 3 times a day. It is annoying. I'm just one of those people that sweats a lot. But I started using this yesterday because I got my box yesterday, and it's kind of like an exfoliating deodorant because it's a little bit rough. I don't even know if I can show you guys this. You probably can't tell, but yeah, you guys probably, whoops, I'm trying to cover this up here, but it's not working. You guys probably can't tell, but it's a little bit rough, but it seems to work a lot better than the other natural deodorants that I've tried, because I do prefer a natural one because I don't want any extra aluminum. So I do prefer a natural, and this seems to work the best so far, but I'll let you guys know in a week because I just used it for a day, but I got deodorant. Now I took it out of the box. But this is for your nails. It's apparently supposed to make your nails look smoother, healthier, and it's just like a nice light pink color too. So, and this is normally expensive. So what it says is it's a keratin peptide. So it helps to strengthen weak nails and make them more resistant to damage. And as a dental hygienist, a dental assistant, anybody, we need something like this because we're constantly washing our hands. So I thought this was pretty cool. And for those of you who aren't allowed to wear nail polish, you might be able to get away with this one because it's such a light pink color. So again, not something that I would have thought to buy myself. And I got some natural soap, which again, I love natural, so I'm quite excited to try that one. I got some moisturizer, which I took this out of the box too because I already started to use it. Because the funny thing is I'm starting to run out of my facial lotion. Okay, so why not try something new? It came inside the box, so why not? And I like it so far. So see, things you can actually use, right? I got a really nice candle that smells amazing. And who doesn't like candles? I mean, really. I know you guys can't smell that, but it smells really, really good. And remember, if you can't use everything inside the box, save it and just gift it. I tend to forget to go shopping for people's birthdays, Christmases, just holidays. I get so busy. So what I do is I check to see the things that I have saved, and then that's what I use as gifts for people who I think would really, really like it. I got a sleep mask. Oh my God. If this had come a month ago when I went on my honeymoon, that would have been amazing because I was looking for a sleep mask, and they're expensive. For a good one, they're 20 bucks. But now I have one, and it's really soft too. And inside they have like a gel of some kind. So I wonder if you could put it, if you wanted to, in the freezer to make it cool or something. I don't know. But that's pretty cool, right? Really, really nice. And the best is yet to come, you guys. I'm saving the best for last. Like this is nothing. There's some pretty cool stuff in here. And see, there's more. There's more. I got a body butter. How cool is that? Perfect for the spring, summertime because it's supposed to smell like, it says it's a smoothing and moisturizing cream for all over the body. Rich in shea butter and avocado oil. Sounds awesome, right? And I started to use this already and I love it. As you guys can see, I did open it and it smells really, really good. And okay, so I saved my 3 favorites for last, okay? So I got a lip palette, okay? Again, something that you could easily buy at Sephora for $40, $50, $60 at least. I'm just opening it up again because of this I wanted to save, okay? So it comes nicely packaged, which is always a lot of fun. Let me open this, guys. And this, by the way, was part, oh, hello. This was part of the ones where you could choose your own colors. So they had a nude palette and like a purpley one. So I chose one that had a combination of the nudes, the reds, and the pinks. So as you guys can see, I have started to use it. Okay, but I just kind of used a little bit of this one so far because I did have one similar to it already, but you can never have too many. So, and look what else I got, you guys. I love this. It comes in such a nice cute bag. I got a bracelet that says love. It makes sense because I had my honeymoon last month. We got married in January, so I was pretty excited to have this. This was another option where you could choose a bracelet or you could choose earrings. I have a lot of earrings, so, and I don't have a lot of bracelets, so I thought that this was perfect. Nice, eh? And this all came inside the box. Part of the fun is seeing things in here that you had no idea. You could always do a search on Pinterest and see other people's boxes, but I choose not to do that because I like to be surprised. This is my favorite, you guys. Any idea what's inside? And it came in such a nice, cute bag too. I don't know. I like things like that. I like attention to detail. Check this out. And this was another one where you could pick your own color. Look, isn't that amazing? It's a clutch. And look how much room is in there. And it is reversible. So you could technically use it for your iPad even. You know, take it to school under your arm, use it as your iPad. You could put your notebooks in here. I don't know anything, but I choose to use it as a clutch. You could use it like this. You could use it like this. I like the pattern and the mint, so I'm definitely going to use it like that. And if you look inside, whoops, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's tons of room, and there's a pocket too for your lip gloss, nail polish, whatever. Isn't that nice? I don't know. I was really excited for this purse. Okay, like, isn't that nice? All of this came inside the FabFitFun box. So I think I need a bigger like table so that I can show you guys the whole thing. But this is what the front of the box looks like. Whoops, I'm making a mess here. FabFitFun, yay! But let me show you guys this too. So what I like is it comes always with this. Okay, so you can look inside to see how much things were. That's just something that I always like to do. Each box is $30 to $40 depending on where you live. So if you live in the States or if you live in Canada. Now I pay per year, so I pay, you know what, it doesn't seem like I even pay a lot. I think it's like $200 or $300 for the year. But let's say a box is $40, you know, you're saving money. So I choose to pay per year just because I prefer the payment to come out of the MasterCard once and not like every single season because I know I love it. So, okay, so let me show you guys this. Check that out. So it just kind of shows you the prices and it tells you how to use everything too. So let me show you this purse. That is my favorite thing ever. So look at the 3 different color combinations there. So I picked this one, but you could have picked, you know, there's this one or there's this one. So I believe if you sign up for the year, you are allowed to pick 3 things that go inside the box. So as I said, one of them was this clutch, and they had the option of choosing either this one, or this one, and I chose this one. And the nice thing is too, is that if you are a member, if you sign up for the boxes per year, you can also pick things to add to your box that are a lot less money. Like I bought a Kate Spade mug for $5, normally $20. I bought, what else did I buy? Tons of things, to be honest with you. I bought necklaces that are normally $20 for about $10. And everything is typically half off to 75% off, but those ones tend to go fast. So as soon as they add the add-ons and they do send you an email, I hop on there and see what I like, and then all they have to do is they will add it to your box and they will bill you afterwards. So you could always change your mind before they mail out the box. But they show you guys how to use everything that's inside the box. So I think that's so handy. Now, where's the prices? I could have sworn I saw it. You know what? It might have been on a different sort of insert that I just forgot about. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get the front page, but my fingers are like sticking to the pages. Oh, here it is. Sorry, you guys. So the first page, it tells you guys the prices. Okay. So can everybody see that? Check that out. So my skin perfecting lotion is $40. That candle is normally $45. The nail, I guess, protector is normally $18. The sleep mask is normally 40. The massage rollers are normally 20. The clutch, which is my favorite, is normally 60. I chose to get the bracelet. Whoops, sorry, you guys. And see how the bracelet, whoops, is 65. I could have picked the earrings. I don't know if you guys can see the tassel earrings, but I chose to get the bracelet. And there's the body butter, and you could have gotten some collagen infused lip masks, but I didn't really want a lip mask. I feel that my lips are big enough, so that's why I got the body butter, but I love how they show the prices. So anyways, you guys, I will leave the code if you want in the comment section, and you can get a discount on your first box if you use my code. So I just thought that I would post a fun video, I guess, since I've been tutoring a lot and posting the videos on tutoring and all kinds of topics. So this one isn't dental related, but I wanted to have some fun because it's Saturday. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have questions about the FabFitFun box, let me know, because I had a lot of questions when I bought my first one, because I did just buy the one first and then I signed up for the year because I loved it so much. Part of the fun is not knowing what's inside the box. You can pick 3 things, but everything else, as you guys can see, you don't know what's in there. So I wish I could hold everything in my hand to show you guys again what was inside, but I only have 2 hands. So sorry about that. But if you guys have questions, just let me know. The main question that I get, where'd my clutch go, is, are the products full size? Yes, they are. Because if you've heard of subscription boxes before, a lot of them aren't full size products. They are trial sizes. These are full size, and for $40, I think it's $40, you can't beat that, right? Right? I mean, that's a pretty good price. So I don't know, this is my favorite, you guys. And the bracelet, which is in this nice little pouch, and I'd say this is one of my favorites too. But yeah, if you guys have questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put on my wrap, even though it's like snowing outside, so I might look a little bit silly, but I love it. I will see you guys in the next video. I will upload a tutoring one. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice weekend.